Okay. Good morning, students. Let us continue yesterday's human circulation. So today we will see cardiac cycle. Before that, whatever yesterday points we will see difference between the auricles and ventricles. Okay. Difference. These two are the auricles, and these down ones are the ventricles. What is the difference? Actually, question comes when you have to write at least three differences. First one, these are thinner ones. Auricles are thinner, and these ventricles are thicker walled. These are thicker walled, these are thinner walled. That is our first point. And these are the receiving chambers. This side is receiving CO2 blood. This side is receiving O2 blood. So first difference is upper chambers are thin walled, lower chambers are thick walled. And second point is auricles are receiving and ventricles are sending. Okay, distributing chambers. These two are distributing. Distributing means left ventricle is sending blood through aorta to the whole body, and right ventricle is sending the blood to the lungs. Okay, and third point is these two auricles are smooth walled. Smooth muscles and all you have learned, smooth walled, and these are having ridges and all. Ventricles are having ridges and all. So these three differences, notes already had given. These three differences are enough. And one more thing here, this is the big aorta, artery, big artery or aorta we call it. Okay, this is both the arteries are taking away blood from the heart. So first of all, I wanted to tell you there are two kinds of valves. Two kinds of valves. So one valve will be here, one valve will be here. So these valves are called, first variety valves are called cuspid valves. Here, this side, left side bicuspid valve, right side tricuspid valve. So this, what is the cuspid valves do? They allow the flow of blood from auricles to ventricles. When ventricular blood tries to go backside, these two valves will be closed. So what is the important, or what is the importance of the valves in the heart? That is one more question. The importance of the valves of the heart is they prevent backflow of the blood. Only you have to remember, prevent backflow of the blood. So valves per, so second variety valves, very carefully listen. Second variety valves are called semilunar valves. Semilunar valves. Okay. Second variety valves are where they are. The semilunar valves are there in the arteries, or the semilunar valves are there in the ventricles, from where the vessels which are distributing the blood. What are the vessels which are distributing the blood? This right ventricle is taking the blood, distributing the blood through pulmonary artery to the lungs. So this pulmonary artery having one semilunar valve. Another one, the aorta starting, artery starting from the left ventricle to the whole body here. So the semilunar valves are present in the ventricular tubules, that is the pulmonary artery and aorta. Okay, now let us quickly see cardiac cycle. Actually, how this is sending and receiving and all these things are taking place. Okay, so valves also I am rubbing. So very quickly let us see. Very difficult language used by the NCERT. I will tell you which pages that afterwards. Okay, cardiac cycle means how the blood is coming in, why and how the blood is coming inside the chambers, and why the blood is sending away from the ventricles to the lungs and body. The cycle consists of, again I am repeating, these points are for the higher classes, but you should know. Cardiac cycle, this is the heading. First one is auricular auricular systole. Second one is auricular, I am not writing completely, diastole. Third one is ventricular systole, and fourth one is ventricular diastole, and fifth one is joint diastole. Okay, now let us see this. First of all, you should know what is systole, what is diastole. Okay, systole means contraction. Systole means contraction. Diastole, that's just like the pronunciation tells. Diastole means relaxation. Okay. Now, as I told you, heart is a strong muscle. It contracts, it relaxes. Contracts, relaxes. How it will contract and how it will relax? Both the auricles same time contracts. Both the auricles same time relaxes. And ventricles, both the ventricles same time contracts and both the ventricles same time relaxes. So what happens when they are contracting and what happens when they are relaxing? Now let us see, suppose these two are there. These are the auricles, left auricle, right auricle. These two auricles, okay, you just observe. These two auricles now relaxing condition. First I will explain about the diastole. Auricles diastole. Auricles diastole means they are relaxing. Means the chambers are completely open. When chambers are completely open, when they are relaxing, the blood will come automatically inside the auricles. So when both will relax same time, when both will relax same time, both will receive blood. Then right auricle is receiving CO2 blood and left auricle is receiving O2 blood. It is receiving from lungs, it is receiving from whole body, upper portion of the body and lower portion of the body. So what happens when both the auricles are relaxing? Both the auricles are relaxing means, what is the word for the relaxing? Diastole. What is the word for relaxing means? So when auricles are in diastolic condition, blood is entering into both the auricles. So one side is receiving carbon dioxide blood, other side is receiving oxygenated blood. Okay. Now auricular relaxation diastole is over. Now auricular contraction, systole. Auricular systole has to take place. Then this just squeezing out like that. Both the auricles contracts, becomes smaller. When they become smaller, then the blood will flow from the auricles to, when these are squeezed, these are contracting. What is the meaning of contraction? Systolic condition. Contraction means systolic condition. So when these auricles are in systolic condition, the blood is coming to from the auricles to ventricles. When ventricles are receiving blood, as you know already, when they can receive blood, these ventricles will receive blood when they are in the diastolic condition. So what does that show? When auricles are in systolic condition or contracting condition, the ventricles will be in diastolic condition, so that the blood from the auricles will enter into ventricles through what? Through bi and tri and bicuspid valves. Am I clear? So when the auricles are diastolic or relaxed condition, they are receiving blood and both will diastole in one condition. Immediately auricles will systolic condition, means they contract. Contracting means they just becoming, the balls are becoming compressed like that. Then the blood is coming into the ventricles. And these ventricles that time in relaxing condition. Relaxing means no pressure, nothing, just open condition. So these two are receiving. So same time what happened? Auricular systole means auricles are in the contracting condition. Systole word please, contraction. And auricular systole means definitely ventricular diastole. Then auricular diastole, they are receiving the blood. Okay. So auricular diastole, systole condition receiving blood, diastole condition sending blood. Now ventricular systole. Now you see this ventricular systole, slightly you have to follow. So ventricular systole, when this ventricles contracting, very carefully you listen, ventricles contracting, both the ventricles has to contract, but when they are contracting, pressure will be there. Here the pressure will be less. Why? From the auricles to ventricles coming, the place is near. The blood flow will come to near place. But from ventricles to outside the heart, especially this left ventricle needs to use very high pressure. Left ventricle, why it has to use very high pressure? Because with one jerk, with one systolic condition, the whole blood has to reach into aorta. From the aorta, with the same jerk, immediately it will go to each and every cell and tissue of the body. So it is a continuous process. It is not that 1 minute I have done systolic condition, I will take half an hour rest, then we will not be there. So it continuously, systole, diastole, continuous process till our last end of the life, or you can say Ramanam Satya. Till that time it has to. Okay, no relaxation for this muscle. So now crucial thing is systole of the ventricles. So this, when right ventricles contracting condition, both will be same time contracting condition, this right ventricle blood is going to lungs. It is going to lungs. Means lungs are nearby heart only, but one jerk it has to go to, whole blood has to go to lungs, because this is CO2 blood and for the purification. Okay. So both will contract, but here the wall of the left ventricle thicker because it has to use very high pressure. So using the pressure it is thicker. This side, left ventricle side is thicker than the right ventricle side. So in systolic condition, in a single jerk that we say, the whole blood of the ventricles will go. You know, here two things you have to remember. When ventricles are in systolic condition, these chambers are constricting, becoming small. So because of the pressure, the blood may go back. But it will not go back. Immediately, the cuspid walls between the auricles and ventricles will be closed. The cuspid walls will be closed. And you know, that makes a sound. So about the sound, just 1 minute after. First let me finish. So auricular systole, auricular diastole. Systole word you should not forget. If you forget, then contraction, relaxation. This one contraction, relaxation, over explanation. Ventricular systole, diastole. Now at one point 4 chambers will relax. Just this is total cycle. Okay, 4 walls will be relaxed. When 4 will relax, that is called joint diastole. Now I wanted to say here, when systole diastole is taking place, heart makes 2 sounds. Okay. Now when you can feel your heart sound. If you don't feel, you do some exercise, then if you keep your hand left side, then you can feel. How? When the ventricles are in systolic conditions, the cuspid walls are closing. When the ventricles are in systolic condition, just like closing the door, with one sound, the bicuspid and tricuspid same time close, making a sound. The sound is called love. Then immediately after the systolic condition of the ventricles, love will be formed, and the diastolic condition means they are relaxing. So when systolic condition, where the blood is going? The blood is going to aorta, the blood is going to pulmonary artery. See, you see these vessels are very diameter, very small diameter, whereas the ventricular whole blood with one jerk has to. So the ventricles has to put a lot of pressure. Here the pressure is less. Ventricular pressure in systolic condition is very high. Okay. So with one jerk, with one pressure, the blood has to move into the pulmonary artery and aorta. So okay, systolic condition, the whole blood went into this arteries. Then immediately ventricular systole, it is relaxing. Both the chambers are relaxing. When they are relaxing, what will happen? The blood can from the vessels of pulmonary artery and aorta, blood can come back to ventricles, but it will not come. Why? There are what kind of valves are there in the pulmonary arteries, pulmonary artery and aorta? The second valves are semilunar valves. So when ventricles in diastolic conditions, immediately the semilunar valves of the arteries closes. Again, just like closing the door, one more sound. The second sound is called dub. So one cycle, how many sounds will come? Two sounds. Lub and dub. Lub makes when the ventricles are systolic condition. What valves will be closed? Cuspid valves will be closed. Second is ventricular diastole. Then what valves will be closed? The valves which are present in the arteries, they will be closed. They will be closed. That is dub. So 72. Okay, 72 times 1 minute. 72 times this pulse means, what is the pulse? Receiving the blood, sending the blood, again receiving the blood, auricular systole, auricular diastole, ventricular systole, ventricular diastole, joint diastole. This will take just 1 minute. In that 72 times the pulse will show, just showing that, and both the valves are closing. So the valves are closing and sounds are making. Sounds are making because of the ventricular systole and ventricular diastole by the closing of the cuspid valves and semilunar valves. This is the cycle. Okay. Now next 5 minutes video, afterwards I will send. So till here you read the page number 106 of the your textbook. Just I am quickly giving. Our pump, the heart. Heart is a semi-muscular organ which is a big as fist. You leave that matter. Second para, we can follow this process step by step. Oxygen rich blood from chamber. This para I will explain. Now one more small point I wanted to tell here. People go to hospital and see the blood pressure. Usually blood pressure is equal to what they will write. Doctors will write, correct blood pressure will be 80 by 120. Pressure means when heart is pumping blood. Okay, receiving blood, pumping blood, then pressure will be. So naturally less pressure will be there when diastolic condition, relaxing condition, diastolic condition, pressure will be 80. Okay, so diagram also there in your book. Measurement. Okay, blood pressure 120. This is the systolic pressure. I'll tell you how systolic. Okay, this is the diastolic pressure. Diastolic pressure means heart is using this much pressure when it is relaxing condition. This is relaxing condition 80, and when it has to pump the blood, systolic condition 120, sometimes 130, 140, no problem. But when relaxing condition pressure is increasing, some problem is there. Okay, this is not in your syllabus, 11th class. So the problem where? The problem may be in the heart vessel, the problem may be the arteries and veins bringing to the heart, or the problem may be the whole body where the arteries and veins some block, something is preventing. So which is using more pressure even in diastolic condition. And receiving also freely, very easily it is not coming. Something is obstructing in the vessels. So that makes high pressure to get the blood into the heart. So diastolic increasing means that is an attention paying, and systolic it should not also increase, but alarmingly increasing is a problem. Okay, so this is blood pressure. Remaining 1 or 2 points are there that we will see afterwards. Thank you.